Each one of these lightsabers is Neopixel. One of them is SNV4 V2, the other one is Pro, and in the right hand is Proffie. What are the differences between all three? Which one's best for you? Watch this video, I'll explain the differences, and you can decide which one you like the best. We'll start by having a look at the original Neopixel V2. This comes in either a 2-button or a single button design, and you can play background music. You can easily switch sound fonts. And there are 27 sound fonts that come pre-installed. And because there's a micro SD card, you can download and add more, and you can add more music, and you can create all sorts of custom effects using the ForcePark V2 app. You have blaster blocks, you have lockup, tip drag, you have a melt function, force effects, and you can change your blade color on the fly. And you have different gestures for turning it on, so you can stab, spin, twist, and you can turn it off by twisting your wrist or pulling down. Really fantastic saber. There is so much you can do with it, and I own a lot of these and I love them. Now let's have a look at Neopixel V2 Pro. This model is a single button design, but it also comes in 2-button. Background music. You can easily switch sound fonts.
Star Killer.
You have different ignition effects and blade styles. You can twist your wrist to turn the saber on and off. You can switch your colors on the fly. Blaster blocks. Lockup. Tip drag. Melt. Force effects. And now you have even better accent swings. So if you listen, you have that sensitive smooth swing. But when you move the saber fast, you can hear those other sound effects in the background. Of course, flash on clash. And we'll twist or touch the button for 4 seconds to shut off the saber. Neopixel V2 Pro uses the new ForcePark V2 app. It's been redesigned. You can control the saber, you can cycle sound fonts, you can choose all your different ignition and blade effects, but now you have more control over the volume. As well, you'll be able to download and share new types of effects for your saber with the community. The V2 Pro uses Proffie OS 6 blade styles, so you're going to be able to create some amazing effects. The last Neopixel lightsaber is using the Proffie soundboard. Proffie is the most advanced of the three. It can do a lot. It is an open source operating system that can be programmed and manipulated to your liking. You will have things like background music, you'll have gesture control, sensitive smooth swing, accent swings, blaster blocks, lightning block repel. You'll have melt and tip drag. Very advanced. To program this requires you to take the core out, and you have to plug the Proffie soundboard directly into a PC using micro USB cable. and then you have to enter the code and upload your sound font. So it's a lot harder to program and to use than one of the SNPixel V4 or the V4 Pro sabers. But if you do enjoy the challenge, or if you're not concerned about changing anything on it, Proffie will give you the most awesome lightsaber experience. Now you've seen all three of these Neopixel sabers, the original SNPixel V4, the new Pro, as well as Proffie. With this information, I hope it helps you decide which saber is best for you. Thank you for watching.